Hello everyone. I'm making a short video to quickly show you how to create a library in Cadence. So if you would like to make a library, there's a process of attaching a technology file with the library. So if that process comes later, so just to let you know, let you guys know how to attach a technology file. If you would like to know what technology files are associated with all the libraries that are made earlier. For example, this electronics 2021, I'll right click it. I'll see the properties and I see that the technology library name is CDS Def Tech Lib. Perfect. And if I want to see another one, for example, this test class, the properties, and it tells me there is CSO i7RF. So if I'm making a new library, I can just reference my new library to any one of these two, and it will make our life easier. Why we need a library? It's kind of help us to organize our work. For example, I made this library electronics 2021, and I made all the circuits related to electronics kind of folder. So if you're working on a new project, you might want to put all the new circuits related to that particular project in one folder. So now we know that what libraries we'll have to reference to. Now we can go to file, file, new, and then library. And I'm just gonna name the library as Advanced Circuits 2022. Perfect. That's my library name. I'll say okay. Attached to an existing technology library. Okay. And I will choose CSY7R. I can choose CD Def Tech, actually, anything. Okay, I'll choose this one. All right. I'll say okay. And now you see Advanced Circuits library is created. Now I can make a new cell view within that library and it will start populating this very library. You can see that library here is selected as this one. So all the circuits related to Advanced Circuit 2022 will start going to this library. I hope this helps. Best regards.